Hey, this is Robin with a short Blender tutorial. We're going to take each of these cells and make them explode outward all at once, and we're going to key that to an animation. So there's a few things you need to do to set up. First of all, you need to make sure your cells are all separated. In this case, this has been done for us in MeshLab. And if they're not all separated, that's a different tutorial, so we'll go through that at a different time. But assuming we've got everything separated, we want to make sure that this cursor here is in the center of the group of objects. So we'll select everything using the A button, or you can draw a marquee around it or whatever you want. And then we want to make sure all of our centers are located at the center of each object rather than all of them sharing the same center. Again, that would be in the other tutorial that I haven't made yet. So now that we've got everything with its own unique center point, we'll make sure that this cursor is in the center of all these. So we'll open up the secret menu. That's by using Shift S, and it opens up this dialog. And we'll make cursor to center. Once we've done that, we have a reference point of which to start expanding everything from. So this menu down here is your pivot point. So this would, if we have individual centers, if we hit scale right now, this would just scale each one from its own center. Right click to disengage that action. And of course using S to scale. And then again we'll right click it to disengage it rather than left clicking to confirm it. We don't want that scale, obviously. We want to use the 3D cursor. So now when we scale them, you'll see that they all scale at the same time, and that's also not what we want, but we're getting there. We'll click this little button, Manipulate Center Points only. Once you do that, and you hit the scale button, then you get the desired effect of them all exploding. So from that point, you would set keyframes. So I use the I button, and we'll just do, I don't know what the previous artist used for keyframes, so we'll do our location, scale, rotation, or we could do available. That gets all of them. So we'll set that as the first one. Then we'll go to the last frame, set that as our last frame, and then in this middle frame, it's already been done for us. We'll hit I and key that one. So now when we play the animation, you get the explosion and the shrink back, and we can set up some camera keyframes as well so that the camera can pan in or zoom in. That's all up to you. So that's the gist of exploding your cells. Hopefully you enjoyed the tutorial, and leave me a thumbs up, subscribe. I have some other tutorials and other videos and stuff like that. We'll keep you posted. Thank you.